Welcome back to another hip hop breakdown. Let's get right into it. All right, good. Well, first of all, I want to say thank you to Irene, my lovely assistant here, and also behind the camera is Bonnie. All right, so this is a choreograph to a specific song. This is Look at Me Now, Chris Brown and Busta Rhythm later on. Anyways, breaking this part down, the first part is just the poses. When it says, right when it says yellow. So we pose 4 times, and we're going to take a look at it. And the poses are around the 1. So if you listen to the beat, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So every 1, 5, 1, 5, we're going to do a pose. And here we go. Let's check it out with Irene and myself. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? So there it is. Real simple. The key to this is holding. Obviously, it's holding your pose, and I think this is a great idea to learn how to hold your pose. For those that, this is for beginners. A lot of time I see beginners don't actually hold the pose. So this is a great exercise. Hold it for for 4 counts, or actually 3 counts. You're hitting on the 1, hold for 2, 3, and 4, okay, until the next pose. So let's check this out one more time. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And again, I'm not gonna go over each individual pose and how to do them, but you could just rewind in and see exactly what Irene and myself are doing. Okay. All right. We're gonna move on to the next portion. All right. So the next portion is basically a 2-step or a step touch. We're rocking side to side. But before that, we do a little yup, because that's to the song. So let's check it out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right. So from the previous pose, you see how our hands are up. Okay, we hold this on the 8. Right on the count, right on the 1, we drop our arms. 1. See right there, 1. I'm putting my arms behind me. 1, 2. We hold the 2, and then yup is on the 3, 4. 3, 4. Okay, and immediately we're gonna start rocking to the side. I'm going to my right side first. Okay, so that's 5, 6, 7, 8. And notice on the 5, 6, every odd number, if you want to count it, the odd numbers, I'm going down. Okay, so one more time. Let's go back. 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. You see? Notice how I'm going down, then up. Down, then up. And I want you to watch the pivoting of my feet. Okay, as I go down. See, right now, one leg is pointing straight, and this one is almost perpendicular. Okay, so right when I go down, you see how the heel goes out. Okay, as I come up, the other heel comes in. Okay, so let's try that one more time with the music. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah, y'all see that right there? Heel out and the other heel in. Heel out, other heel in. All right. So on the 7, 8, I keep my leg out. Okay, and again with my arms. This is more like a just a pose, and I think if you guys were to tweak this, take this choreography and do a different pose with your arms, it really doesn't matter. But the key part about this move is the level change. Your hip is getting down, then coming up. Okay. All right. Very quickly, let's move to the next portion. All right. The next portion is what we call the 4 corners. Let's check it out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2, 2, 3, 4. All right, so we have 2 8 counts of 4 corners. All right, and what I'm doing first, so I'm going, my hip is going back diagonal to my right. Okay, so if you're watching this, it's to my right side. It's going corner, and then it's gonna go to the opposite corner, the left corner right there. Now it's gonna go directly diagonally up. Okay, it'll be towards my front, my right front. Okay, boom. And during class, a lot of students point out that it kind of reminds them of flossing. So if you kind of do a little bit of flossing, it's a little bit similar to that, although this is more of a circular move versus more of a directional move. Right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. So again, in itself, these moves itself, it's not too hard. So you can rewind it and watch this over again. Okay. Very quickly, we're gonna move on to the next section. All right. So now this part, let's take a look. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right. So this one I could break down just a little bit more. Let's just take a look at the legs, okay? So from here, my legs are a little bit further apart. They're about maybe shoulder width apart, and I will bring them in. What I'm doing is my left leg, I'm sliding it in. As I slide in on the 1, I'm bending my right leg. Let's check it out. 1. There's my 1 right there. And although because the camera angle is directly in front, you can't see that. You can't really tell, but you should be able to tell that my right knee is bent. Left knee is straightened. Okay, there's no bending of the knee on the left side. I'm gonna quickly rewind that. There you go. See, I'm sliding in right on the 1 and 2. Okay, actually, the count is 1, 2, 3. Okay, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So what I'm doing is I'm doubling the right side, doubling the left side. So I double 1, 2, 3, 4, and I double the left side, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's my first 8 count. And my second 8 count, I'm doing a single. Okay, so which is right side, left side, right side, left side. Watch that again. Okay, watch my knee, just only the knee. Here we go. 1, 2, right knee, left knee, then right knee bend, left knee bend, right knee bend, left knee bend. Okay, so hopefully that makes sense. If it doesn't, just rewind it again and watch that part. Now the arms, because this part of the song, this says she likes to wax it off. Okay, so you know, like Mr. Miyagi, wax on, wax off, and that's what we're doing with our arms. We're making almost like a windshield wiper. Our hands are wiping on, wax on, and then you wax off. Okay, wipe it on, wipe it off, wipe it on, wipe it off. Okay, so there's the arms. Now, one more thing you got to notice is the body. The body is leaning forward. It's going up, down, up, down. It's 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, watch the body. The body doesn't just hold still. Okay, watch the body now. See, it goes down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Okay, so these are 3 major movements that are combined in this dance, this part of the choreography. The legs, the arms, as well as the body. Okay, make sure you get all those 3. All right, here we go. Moving forward, next part. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so this is obviously the look at me now part. So what I'm doing is I want you to imagine right here where my cursor is. Maybe there's a rope, or maybe there's a high obstacle. You're trying to go under the rope. Get your head under, around. Okay, so it goes 1, 2, 3, 4, right? And then right on the 3, I'm making like a binocular or a monoscope with your hand, so make it look like you're looking at me now. 1, 2, 3, 4, and you go the other side. 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then the next one, I'm just gonna slide forward. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, and then 5, 6, 7, 8. This is where it says I got the papers, right? Look at me now. Look at me now. I'm getting papers. Here we go. Let's go one more time. I'm getting papers. Look at me now. Look at me now. I'm getting paper. Okay, it goes right into the paper. Now the second part is the same thing. I'm gonna slide. This time I'm gonna slide diagonally, just back a little bit. I'm gonna go back, and I'm gonna slide back. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Slide back, and then I'm getting papers. All right. So that's it. All right. Let's put it all together. Take a look at what it looks like, and we showed the video at the very beginning, but we're going to show it one more time now that you know the choreography. If you want to do it with us, that's great. Otherwise, just watch it in its entirety. It does go with the music. Now, for those that didn't see it last week, we actually did the harder portion, the one where Busta Rhythm is rapping. That's the super fast portion. So we're going to put it all together, but learn these chunks together one at a time, then we'll put it together. Okay, here we go. Let's check it out. Pose, pose. Yep. 6, 6, 7, 8. 6, 7, 8. 3, 4. She whacks it all off like Mr. Miyagi. Look at me now. Look at me now. Paper. Okay, this is where we stop for this class right now, but we're going to put it all together later on so you guys can check it out. All right, hopefully you guys have fun. If you did, again, hit or smash that like button. If you haven't subscribed, subscribe, and share it with those that may like it. You know, if they're interested in learning dance, this is a great way to support the channel, and hope to see you next time. I'm out.